I'm looking for your number.
You're gonna do that?
Just going after pretty girls.
It's a simple one. Yeah.
Nice
Alright.
and easy.
Tits. Can I do a cameo?
Yeah.
I don't need to.
No, that'd be awesome.
Alright.
I was gonna ask you anyway.
Awkward collabs. Whew. I got the hiccups real bad, and I can't really get rid of them. I'm waiting for the next one. Here, hold on. Do you guys have any recommendations on how to get rid of hiccups? I cannot.
Oh my god.
I've heard hold your breath for like 3 seconds and then breathe out for 3 seconds. Here I go. That might have did it. That might have did it. That's what I'm talking about. There is such a thing as having enough, she says in her non-TV voice. You might think a meet and greet with 150 people sounds sad, because maybe you think I'm forced to do it, but you would be surprised. A meaningful conversation doesn't mean that conversation has to last an hour. A meet and greet might sound weird to someone who's never done one, but after 10 years you learn to appreciate happiness when it happens. And that happiness is rare and fleeting, and you're not entitled to it. You know, during the first few years of your career, the only thing anyone says to you is enjoy this, just enjoy this. That's all they ever tell you, and I finally know how to do that. Taylor Swift is 25, but she's older than you. That's how the article ends. Tonight that I will fall for you over again to make me change my mind.
Speaks about travel, yeah, we think about the land. We spotlight all people's feeling real tense.
And it then turned me to a savage. Groupies in the lobby, they just trying to.
Oh,
it's the pizza guy.
God damn it, pizza guy! First world problems. Do you guys think there's benefits to not fapping?
Mind, sort of like controlling your own mind, you know? Like,
Oh yeah, like self-control muscles, maybe. Hey guys, it's really quiet out tonight. It's 3 a.m. Saturday the 11th of June, LA. I had to crawl under my sofa bed because Juan and Cody are staying with me over the weekend. I'm gonna try to film some vids, and they put the coffee table in front of the TV, so like my only chance of getting around them was under the sofa bed, because I didn't want to step on the sofa bed and wake them up. So I crawled through this thing. It was like kind of like, I don't know, it was pretty stealthy if you ask me.
oh, okay. Yeah, that's nice.
Is that all it does?